Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. MsSilver here, and today I'm bringing you a very soft fall look using the brand new Bebella Go Pro Palette Volume 2, and it's going to be very quick, very easy, so I hope you enjoy. And here I have a short little preview of the new Go Pro Palette Volume 2 from Bebella Cosmetics. And I have to say, I quickly fell in love with this palette. The choice of color is so gorgeous, perfect for fall season. And I mean, I'm just gonna leave it here so you guys can look at it. Again, to get started with this look, I'm gonna go in with my gorgeous yellow color. I'm so happy they put a yellow in there. The name Delight, and I'm gonna mix it a little bit with the color Caramel, and I'm going to apply both of these colors on the center of my lid in very light dabs. All of this look is to be more subtle, nothing too dramatic. I want to keep it very soft, very glowy, very fallish. And I'm going to be applying this outer corner, crease, inner corner of my eye. Next, I'm going to pick up the color Breeze, which is a little bit of brown, and I'm going to dab it a little bit on Meganomy, which is the brown next to the burgundy, and I'm going to apply that in round motions on the inner corner of my eye, and I'm going to be doing the same motions on the outer corner of my eye. I'm done applying my browns. I'm going to go in with the color Delight, and I just want the color to stand out a little bit more, so I'm only picking up my yellow tone. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to pick up my Tarte liquid eyeliner, which I love because it dries very quick, is waterproof, and I'm going to start doing my eyeliner. I always like to start from the inner corner of my eye and just draw my wing out. And again, that's the Tarte Cosmetics in clay eyeliner. After that, I'm going to go in with my MsSilver eyelashes in the name MsSilver. And I'm going to leave the link below with the promo code in case that you would like to get your hands on these beautiful lashes. And again, the name is MsSilver, which I love. Silk eyelashes, they're super gorgeous. Not just because they're mine, but they're really gorgeous. So again, I'm going to apply them, place them at the center of my eye, and start working through the outer corner of the eye into the inner corner. Next, I'm going to take a black eyeshadow powder and apply that on my waterline to use it as a black eyeliner. Next, I'm going to pick up a little bit of brown eyeshadow and just buff out the eyeliner. That way it doesn't look too bold. Next, I'm going to be doing my eyelashes with my Maybelline mascara that I super love because this little brush in this bottle is just everything. So if you haven't tried it, you definitely have to try it. Next, I'm going to go in with my Nabby lip liner, which I really love because it just glides on to the lips. I don't really have to press that much to get the color on my lips. And I'm using a little bit of matte and adding a little bit of gloss just to get that extra plumpness. Once I'm done with my lips, I'm going to go ahead and brush out or dust off all the translucent powder on my face and do last touches before my final look. And as promised, I did say this was a short little tutorial for fall. So if you would like to try this look, get yourself your Bebella Cosmetics Go Pro Palette Volume 2 to recreate this look. And you can go ahead and drop your comments down below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, turn on the little bell icon, and I'll see you guys on the next video.